All about the bass. No, it's not all about the bass. It's all about brass and metal. Yep, in this video, it's all about things that we've sold, that Mark and I have sold, that's brass or metal or predominantly metal, all about the brass. Those kind of things, because I think it's easier sometimes to learn what to buy and resell by like things, like material, like brass and metal. If you're new here, I'm Vicki with Avante-Avenue, and my husband Mark and I sell on eBay, Macari, Poshmark, predominantly eBay. And this is my second and perhaps a series of videos that show you what we've sold in a very specific category. In this case, it's about the material. What is the item made from? We have sold a lot of brass and metal items. We have quite a collection on our shelf over here. I'll try to pan it and show it to you. And I thought it would be helpful to you to see some of the things that we've sold. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. So I'm not going to necessarily talk through all of this video. I'm going to be here and there recapping some of the items that we've sold, but I'm not going to actually see you again until the end of the video. So with that said, let's get started. This wrought iron easel with a distressed shabby style to it sold for $14.99 plus shipping. The next one is pretty easy to find because it's right there. Don't you love it when we don't have to go on the hunt? All right, where did they go? These made in India brass candlesticks, and this pretty painting, it's all hand painted, and they were on offer for $18 plus shipping. The Sears 1980 Fancy Pan Enamel Stockware it's sold on offer for $19 plus shipping. Copper letter, which one do we need? Letter C. Hope it's in here. There's E, there's a C. I better check this size or just make sure that's the only one I have. Yeah, it's a C. It's 1963 aluminum plate with chemical symbols. Paid 50 cents at a garage sale, and it sold on offer for $20 plus shipping. This is a Macari sale. 2 Kirsch scarf holder holdbacks that I picked up at a church rummage sale where you could fill a cart for $20. And so I got about, 40 cents invested. So we negotiated an offer of $20 plus shipping. I made $16.92. Copper miniatures, little buckets, $10 for all. I'm not sure if these or not, but they're cute. No, I suffer from a cute syndrome. If I say it's cute, I'm in trouble. I found this brass little cherub, and it's supposed to be a scale, with weights on it, but it didn't have any. So I made these little beaded embellishments here because I used to make and sell a lot of handmade jewelry. So I still have a lot of beads. So I embellished it and sold it as, what did I sell it as here? Let me show you. So I sold it as one of a kind. Vintage gold brass cherub figure. Fancy beads, one of a kind. I think I found this at the Goodwill, and it's a compilation that I put together. Sold it for $20 plus shipping. Not as much as what I would have liked, but it is one of a kind. And I separated this for shipping. So I have to wrap those up really well. So it is open for business, and yeah, the rain is off and on here, but we're going to go check it out, see what we can find to resell. A lot of Christmas stuff here, but I saw this little strainer. It looks older. It's cute. Do you see all that rust? Yeah, I'd say this one's vintage. Kind of neat. It's brass. There's only one. It's 50 cents. It's a garage sale find, paid 50 cents and sold it for $20 plus shipping. Came to $31.15. Ours doesn't open until noon. We got a cart. See what color is on sale. The candles and things, and I saw these at the bottom. Got the star and the moon and the sun and glass tapered candle holders. It should say made in India. One of them should have their sticker. $6 for the set. There's where the sticker was. See if the third one is a charm. It's pretty cool. And the sticker. I just noticed this base is different. At least it's different from here. And so is the top. I guess this is by itself and those two are together. Oh, that's too bad. I guess it would go in the center. You could put those on either side. Okay. Men Office Supplies saw this cute little vintage hand-painted bell. I know I don't need smalls, but that's a cute little small for 50 cents. It's worth at least $14.95. All right, probably have to get it. This little bell, this little front desk service bell, hotel bell as they're known, is hand painted with strawberries. Paid 50 cents for it, and it sold for $21.21 plus shipping. I am pretty sure that these are Bakelite handles on these utensils.
Bakelite.
The irony is there's different colors. There's red, green, tan. I'd have to check these out. This lot of 8 metal drink coasters that I paid $2 for, sold for full asking price of $24.95 plus shipping. This is interesting. It's stainless steel. There you go. What is that? Oh, I know what that is. Do you know what that is?
Baker's Edge cast aluminum.
Is it heavy? Oh my gosh, it's pretty heavy for a pan. What's your thoughts?
You make squiggly cakes in it.
Squiggly cakes. Maybe. Are you gonna look it up? We paid $5.99 at Goodwill, and it sold for full asking price of $24.95 plus shipping. This is a real cool looking brass easel. There's no glass. This is just a print underneath, but it's really nicely made, really nice design. Some of the key words I used were Victorian, metal cast brass filigree, acanthus leaf, and it sold for $25 plus shipping.
Bakelite.
We are now at the Locust Springs thrift store. These aren't priced. This butter dish has a glass liner. It does have the knife. It says it does. I'll open it up and check it. Big, and there's a lot of people here and a lot of stuff going on, so I'm going to stop videoing right now. A lot of times I leave the flowers behind because I want the brass planter. That's really cool. $2. Something different. These are cookie molds. Madeline, I guess is how you say it. I can't find any branding on it, and they're a little dented on the sides, but I think there are 5 of them here for $3.99. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get these. $4.99. These are really heavy. I noticed it says IKEA, so it gave me information to go on. I think it's missing one rail. It's missing one rail. 2, 3, 4, 5. No, they're all there. All right, I'm getting these. I can't believe this sold so fast. The buyer first made me an offer of about 40 some dollars, and I countered. And they finally came back. Paid $12 for this Nordic ware called French wafer cookie iron. And one of my subscribers mentioned it could be used for making stroop waffles, which I've never had. Sold on offer for $60 plus shipping. So what do you think? Did you see anything in this video that you were surprised to see? Something that you've never bought to sell before? Something that you never thought it would sell for as much as it did? I'm often surprised, but we do a lot of research when we find the item, and we do a lot of research before we list the item, and then sometimes I mark it up $5 or $10 more, and sometimes even more if there's nothing else out there like it. So check out my other 300 plus videos, including pack and ship videos on many of the items that we sell. And I also produce a vlog video that shows a little bit behind the scenes, and we take you sourcing with us. Hope you give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue, and Mark and I will see you soon. All about the bass, no, it's not all about the bass, it's all about the brass and metal.